The Renault RS27 V8 is the sound of victory. In the 8 years between 2006 and 2013, Renault powered 5 Constructor Championships and 5 Driver World Championships. Listen to the sound of victory. The new era of Formula One brings a very different sound. The Renault Energy F1 2014 power unit is a turbocharged 1.6-litre internal combustion engine that uses potent energy recovery systems to harvest energy from the exhaust and braking. Listen to the sound of the new V6, a sound of power and efficiency.